Oh, what have we done? Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out and get a sneak peek at what the shop looks like today. For now, we have a full, comprehensive physical unboxing and setup of the Bambu Labs A1 combo. Let's get into it. There you go. There you go. Can the camera even see us?
Yeah.
It's gonna see her.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. You know what? Let me see if we did a couple. We did plenty of 3D printed knives. Let me see if I can get one of those. Here's our options here. Let's see. What should I use here? So these are really cool. The kids love these. Look at that. Look at that smooth actuation there. Yeah, there's no cutting edge on that. I think this was an old. No, this was a newer Sunlu PLA filament. It was pretty easy to work with. The spools kept jamming because they're really tiny spools. By the way, don't get sucked into that because the 250 gram spools obviously way smaller. If you do the math, you're paying more in filament. So here you go. Look at that. This is the, I forget what this is. It is a PLA that came with, let me see, it's right here. Just a PLA basic green that came with the X1 carbon. It's a really nice looking green. It feels pretty solid, pretty good. It's not one of those silk ones or anything, but this was one of the first prints we made, and it's still really cool. Kids love it. Don't know how to use these, and I broke that one. All right, maybe I didn't break that. Let's assume that was broken already. Yellow that broke was also the Sunlu PLA. This was a little rough. This was also a Sunlu PLA. I cut that already. Look at that. Hi, kitty. Kitty. Oh. Well, she cut until she broke. Broke right there. Yeah, you might want to set some higher infill if you're going to actually use these. These plates come with the printers, and they have a QR code on them. They do sell other plates that you can get at their at the online store for Bambu Labs, and they also have some aftermarket plates at Micro Center. Yes. All right, so the cardboard topping comes off. That is recyclable. I got the boat thing again. I got that with the X1 carbon also. Like, this would be the hardware. You don't get the actual boat that's on there. That's what you print, and you use the hardware with it. In this case, it's a little motor for the boat, one of those little wind-up things. Toolkit. So every printer comes with a version of this. So there's 2 Allen keys. The one you won't need for the little one you won't need for setup. You'll just need the big one. There's the lube, a razor. So, and then there's all the packs of screws. All right, this is the AMS base. Oops, sorry, kicked the camera there. AMS base, AMS light base. All right, so we got the little spool holder pieces for the AMS light unit. There. This is really cool. I didn't get this with the X1 carbon. Color swatches. You know what you also don't get with the X1 carbon? A darn micro SD card. But you do with its cheaper models. Doesn't make any sense at all, considering that I spent well over $1,000 for the X1 carbon. No SD card. Luckily, I have a ton of those laying around, but still, not cool. All right, so we got the AMS unit. Oh shoot, you know what? I didn't notice these last time. Oh, you know what? They probably just popped off on their own like this one did. This dock thingy has an angle. The cord goes in the back near the upward angle. If I can do this without dropping it. There, like that. All right, well, can't find my snips. We'll use the knife. Although the knife is dangerous because you could damage something for yourself. We got these spool thingies. They just pop on here. They're color coded. Don't force it. If it won't go, you're probably putting it on in the wrong spot. Green to green, orange to orange. This is a top mount for single spools if you're not going to use the AMS system. This is a purge wiper. So they have 4 screws on the bottom that hold the bed in place. And like I said, you use this Bambu Labs Allen key here that they provided, the big John. All right, so when you flip this back over, you want to make sure that you grip the bed so that it doesn't fling when you flip it, because now it is loose. That was the point of all that. Oh, the actual bed part goes on. You can just put that on now. It has a little slot here, so you can tell which way the bed goes. See that there? That slots in here. So yeah, this section pops off. You'll put screws in here, and you'll put a bunch of screws on here. Pops up and then slides out. Be careful of this cable again. Put that to the side. And I mentioned these 4 base housing. There is a USB-C slot, and that's where you'll put this piece hanging from the this piece, this long thingy here. One's marked green, one's marked white, one's marked yellow, and the yellow one is at the bottom of the printer. I'll show you that after I slot this USB-C portion in. So you sit this right in the slot. Make sure to line up this USB-C slot correctly, and then I think you push this all the way flat and then slide up. There you go, because there's a little slotted part over here that the pieces need to go into, and it gets stuck after that. You're not going to want to slide that back out. And you can go ahead and plug this white one in here. screws in, which from the baggie that says 4 AMS stand. This is the single tube that you would need for here, 600 millimeter or something like that. And this is the tube for here. Once you start it up, also it'll walk you through stuff, and it'll also ask you to do this lubricant oil. This is for the Y rails, so you're gonna want to do that. It'll prompt you when to do it on the screen down there, anyways. Turn it on, and we're ready to go, I think. Oh, the camera has a little cover.
Hey guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. So as promised, here's a sneak peek of what our workshop looks like today. As you can see, we added 2 new Bambu A1 printers to our arsenal for a total of 6 printers, including the X1C. Why? Well, we have a lot of exciting projects coming up. Our next project will be rocket launching, and it'll be explosive, to say the least. So we do have a tendency to lose these rockets every now and again, so we've come up with some exciting ideas to find them, especially in the dark. So I don't want to give away too much, but I'll give you a hint. It's going to be enlightening. See what I did there? Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.